Today, we're going to learn a few phrases and phrasal verbs around baking. As usual, I'll be showing you the correct intonation and sentence stress. And I have also included the text with all the phrases and intonation for this lesson as a downloadable link below. I love the idea of baking cakes, but I'm not very good at it. So I don't do it very often because something always seems to go wrong. So I'm going to tell you my story about last weekend when I decided to bake a birthday cake for myself. But, well, things didn't quite go to plan. If you're new to my channel and would like more lessons, please don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, I looked up a recipe online and found one for a parsnip cake. Parsnips in a cake? It sounds terrible, doesn't it? And I don't really like parsnips. But apparently, when they're baked in a cake, they make the cake really moist and you can't even taste them. My friend made one a few weeks ago and it was amazing. So I decided this was the one I was going to bake. First of all, I turned on the oven and set it to 180 degrees. I prepared the cake tins and greased them with butter, then lined them with parchment. Then I meticulously weighed out all the ingredients, the flour, sugar and parsnips. I chopped up the parsnips, zested the orange peel, then I sifted the flour and put it in the bowl. What are those? Those black spots, what are they? Oh no, they're moving! I looked at the sell-by date. Best before 2016! 4 years out of date. I did say I didn't do a lot of baking, didn't I? So off I went to the shops. An hour later, I was back in the kitchen doing everything according to the instructions. I was so happy I began to hum a little tune. What could possibly go wrong? It was time to mix the ingredients together in my food processor. So I put in all the mixture and switched it on. Full power. Suddenly, I was covered in parsnips, flour and sugar. I'd forgotten to put the lid on. Back to the drawing board. Here we go again. Finally, 2 hours later, I was pouring the mixture into the cake tins. But by this time, I was getting quite hot and bothered. The oven had now been on for well over 2 hours, and the kitchen was getting hotter and hotter by the minute. Nearly there, I thought. Won't be long now. I popped the tins into the oven and set the timer for 35 minutes. I thought, what can I do in the meantime? I know, I'll nip upstairs and tidy up a bit. 10 minutes later, I could already smell the cake as it was cooking. I thought, that smells good. I love the smell of home cooking. Another 10 minutes went by, and the smell was getting stronger. It must be all those parsnips, I thought. I think I'll go down and prepare the filling for the cake. Just as I was about to go downstairs, all hell broke loose. Every single fire alarm went off. I ran into the kitchen, and there I was greeted with a thick grey haze of smoke and an even stronger smell of burning. I began choking from the fumes. Oh no, what have I done now? I staggered over to the oven and opened the oven door. Smoke billowed out straight into my face. The cakes had caught fire. The flames were suddenly trying to attack me. I quickly shut the oven door and switched off all the controls. I thought, what's this? It looks like someone's turned on the grill. Surely not. Oh no, I've been grilling the cakes instead of baking them. No wonder they caught fire. Not only have I got to start again, but I've got to clean the oven now. What a waste of time. I'll never bake another birthday cake for myself again. Maybe someone else can bake me a birthday cake. Aww. Until next time, love and peace.